Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this gold smoky eye using the Plouise If the Crown Fits eyeshadow palette. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Starting off with the packaging of the Plouise If the Crown Fits palette. It is absolutely gorgeous and gives off that luxury feeling inside. And the colours are really great too that have been chosen. You can use these to create a subtle or a very glam eyeshadow look. I absolutely love how the shadows have been pressed as well, and there's a little icon on them and they're all named. So let's hop on in to the tutorial. I'm first taking the shade Triumph as my transition shade and applying that with a fluffy blending brush. Next, taking the shadow My Hero and applying that to the crease to start creating that depth to the eye. These shadows are very pigmented too, so only a little is needed each time. Then taking the first shade that we used just to blend that out. And next taking the shadow called Storyteller and further deepening up the crease and slowly building up that smokiness. Then back in with that first shadow called Triumph and focusing that on blending the very edge of the brown shadow. Then taking the shade Storyteller again and adding that to the very outer corner just to start creating that winged out shadow shape. Then again blending back over top just to make it seamless. Next, I'm cutting the crease with the Plouise eyeshadow base in the shade 2. This is great for preparing the eye for eyeshadows and also acting as a base like this for a shimmer shadow. Picking up the shade Winging It and applying that to the lid shape. This shadow is amazing and it glided onto the eyelid so easily. Then going in with the shadow called Make Believe to the very edge of the eyelid, just to start building up that outer corner before eyeliner. And then blending it out with the shade Storyteller and focusing it in the outer corner to create that winged effect again. After that, I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Eyeliner to create a winged liner. First taking that across the eyelids and then creating the wing up and out to the outer corner and dragging it back down to join on to the first part that we drew on. Then picking up the black Make Believe shade again and focusing that on the liner just to make sure that it blends into that shadow. This is just a preference of mine and I absolutely love the shape that it creates when adding this step to a smoky eye. I then take my time perfecting the blend of all of the shadows, making sure that you can see all of the shadows that we have applied and there's no blocks of colour in between. I next add eyelashes, and these are from the brand SOSU Cosmetics in the style Dubai. I then take shade Storyteller and finish the bottom lash line. And then focus the black closest to the lash line underneath. I then add the MAC Technical eyeliner to my waterline, just so there isn't a space in between the lashes and the shadows. And then some mascara just to add some volume to those bottom lashes. I next take the shadow Glass Slipper to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, and this was gorgeous to apply and add that little pop of gold. So now that the eyes are finished, I did my bronzer and face makeup off camera, and I take the Doll Beauty Like a Diamond highlighter to my cheekbones. This is a great highlight that stands out and creates that perfect sheen to the skin. Now onto lips. I use the Collection Lip Definer in the shade Nude Pink to line the lips. Then I apply the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Tropic Tonic, which I'm absolutely loving the colour of just now. It's so perfect for summer or any night out. To finish the whole look off, I then take the MAC Fix Plus setting spray just to lock all the makeup in place and then wait for it to dry. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos that you would like to see from me in the next coming weeks, and I'll be sure to film them. Also, make sure that you are subscribed and also following my Instagram for some more content. And yep, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!